Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can add no fill to a shape or a text box, for example, in your PowerPoint presentations in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to a PowerPoint presentation. Now, to correct myself, it wouldn't make any sense to add a no fill to a text box. Instead, let us use that example shape here, like a heart icon. So what you want to do is click into the given shape and next navigate to shape format. And here under shape fill, open up that menu and simply select no fill here. And that is going to leave the shape empty, as you can see. If you have a shape outline, you will see, or the outline will still be visible. You may choose a different color for the outline, or weight here, or a style like a dotted line, for instance, or a solid line or something like this here. But it doesn't apply to the shape fill. The shape fill will be empty as long as you choose this option here. Now, if you'd like to fill it with color again, simply select one of these. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.